If your trackpad's not clicking in all directions, what you want to do is open up your controller. Option 1. Remove this cable from this connector and make sure that this little pad that sits inside this plastic recess is centered. If it's not, recenter it. Good to go. Option 2. If upon closer inspection you realize that the pad is either already centered or in the case of this one is actually ripped in half, do this. Pull these 3 cables. This bottom one here has Kapton tape on it. When you pull this tape off, be sure to not touch the underside of the tape because you don't want to get any oil from your fingers on it. Remember to flip up the little plastic piece that holds this cable in. Otherwise you could do damage to the connector and the cable. What you're going to want to do is make a sandwich out of medical tape and Scotch tape. The one caveat that I'll add is that Scotch tape is not exactly ESD friendly, so if you have some Kapton tape, use that. I tried a couple different combinations and this one seems to work the best. Take the medical tape, put it on the wax paper, put Scotch tape on top, cut out a little circle that can fit inside the post, and then carefully peel off the wax paper and apply it onto the little circle area. Cut out a circle that'll fit in between here and on the post. Clean this surface off. I used a Q-tip and some isopropyl alcohol. Once you get that installed, reassemble. Tools you'll need: tweezers, Torx number 5, Phillips head 1.2 by 25 millimeters plastic prying tool. Remove the 3 screws from the bottom right here. Pop off this top piece. Remove the 3 Phillips head screws from the top here. Remove this bottom piece by pressing in on the edges and pulling down right here. Be careful not to snap these tabs. These tabs are the only thing holding it in. Remove these 2 screws from these 2 spots. Remove these 2 screws from these 2 spots. Pry up the right hand side. Follow the process in reverse and then test. If you have extra hardware when you're done, you did it wrong.